Okay, you guys ready to go on your hike today?
Start! Yes, start!
Alright! So, where are you guys going to go today? I don't know how to lead you there. Or us. Alright, Christ. I think we'll take the really big path over this way.
What about the little path right here?
What about the hood?
Really good idea.
Let's go somewhere where I can kill something! Let's go!
Calm down, Joe.
Good idea.
Killing's not good.
I'm a man!
My bad.
It's getting a little steamy in here.
Sit down for a second, Robo.
No, I don't know what you're talking about. It's this way.
I really think it's this way.
Do we have to go?
Do not doubt me, Thomas. It is this way.
Do not tell me.
Let's go! Let's go! Come on!
George, I thirst.
You thirst?
I thirst for fighting!
I thirst for
What is
fight.
his problem? His problem, seriously.
I'm a man!
Yes, we all know you're a man.
Punch!
Calm down. Alright, it's over here now, people. Follow me.
Poor soul.
I can see where I'm going. It's this
Of
way.
course you can.
I can. It's right over this way.
Yeah.
Who put this here? I swear this was not here just a second ago.
There are many obstacles in our path. Maybe if it wasn't such a dark night.
Maybe we shouldn't even be attacking.
Do you know this house?
Dark night.
Alright, we've arrived at Christ. He's right up there.
Where is he?
I'm a woman.
The saints are only from the saints, only from God does true revolution come. The definitive way to change the world. Ding, ding, ding.